Welcome back to this new video of TechExpress, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you if you come to the right way, if you want to create video content creation, build a Google I/O 2025 is truly a game changer. So let's see how to write effective prompts for the Google VEO 3, turning your ideas into stunning AI generated videos. So you might want to try out, or you want to know what exactly is the Google VEO 3. So what exactly is this application? Basically, it's a Google DeepMind latest and most advanced text to video generative AI model. So think of it as your personal AI film director and cinematographer. So this transforms your text prompts into stunning videos with incredible details and lifelike physics. And something else that it can do, it transforms your text prompts into stunning videos, and a major leap forward is ability to generate native audio, meaning the video comes with synchronized dialogue, realistic sound effects. Now this is a demo trial. This is not yet tried for the huge community audience, but still, since this one is consistently learning a lot, you can even be impressed of what the VEO 3 can actually do. Now, think of your prompt as a script for your AI director. The most clear and descriptive you are, the better the final video will be. For beginners, let's break down the essential components for a good VEO prompt. So the first thing is to understand the subject. Who or what is the main focus? A lone astronaut, a fluffy golden retriever, a futuristic cityscape. In this case, an elderly Caucasian sailor, right? Something else is the action. Then what is the subject doing? In this case, he is eating, right? The setting and the environment, where is this happening? Describe the location and the atmosphere. The style, the mood, cinematic, pixel star, dreamlike, energetic, right? Camera angles, juice lighting, and audio. So let's access the Google VEO to get started and to, let's say, try this for the first time. The first thing to do is to go directly into the upper right side that says try VEO. Now here, we can try this out truly for free. So here I have the subscription, when I have the upgrade element. So we have the free version where I can get access to this element, but still I believe that we do not have access yet to the actual Google AI element. So you might want to try out the Google AI Pro. So when you have now the Pro version of the Google Gemini, into the upper left corner, what you want to do is to look out for the new Gemini element. So let's go back here. So let's go into Google VEO, try the VEO once again. And inside here, this is the VEO fast element. You can see that now into the down corner, we have the generate with VEO. You can bring ideas to life in an 8-second video. So basically here I have the description of the video. So this is where I wanted to create my first prompt. To demonstrate here that you are capable of actually doing great things. For example, let's say that I wanted to go directly for a fluffy golden retriever. Here's my character, Poppy. The action, let's go for joyfully chasing a red ball through. Now let's go and describe the area. Let's say a vibrant green park on a sunny afternoon. Now I have the style, right? Let's go, for example, cinematic wide shot. This is the angle. And let's go for light, for example, soft. And lastly, something about the audio. So this is my prompt. This might be taking a few minutes, so we can go check back to you in a few seconds. Now the problem in here is that we have music generated in here. So we can mute the video, hit now into play, and see what are the actual results. So as you can see, the grass looks really realistic and cinematic, though let's say this ball looks as well really realistic. I think like this dog still feels like it is too AI content generative, but since this is let's say for example, one of the first approaches created with Google, I think this one is really great. Now I'm going to try with something a little bit more advanced. For example, I tried out with a cinematic wide angle of an astronaut riding a killer whale floating through the galaxy. I mean, this is like too much, but let's see what the artificial intelligence has to do with this specific prompt. It doesn't look that bad, actually. It does have my characters, I have the background, I have the stars, and I have the colors that I truly wanted to see in this specific scenario. So to get the best results for this specific application, you want it to be specific but not overly complex. So give it enough details for the AI to understand, but avoid rambling or trying to describe too many complex elements in just one prompt. Use strong keywords. For example, think about like filmmaking or photography. Use terms like cinematic, fully realistic, epic, dreamy, vibrant, muted tones, bokeh, shallow, prioritize emotion, and embrace auto descriptions, right? So you can use negative prompts. For example, I don't know, no modern buildings or no people, right? So the Google VEO 3 marks a new era in the video creation, empowered anyone to generate stunning high quality video with integrated audio from simple text. So what is the first incredible video you're going to create here in the Google VEO? You can let us know in the comments below. If this is your help for you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more great, amazing tools and how we can use this great application. Thank you once again for watching the video, guys. See you next time.